Class, this is the question number 7 of exercise 2.4. Question is, Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Short material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. So here there are two types of cloths. First is shirt material and the second one is trouser material. The cost is given according to per meter. So the shirt material cost is rupees 50 per meter and trouser material rupees 90 per meter. Now for every 3 meter of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. Here in this statement, this is a kind of a ratio between trouser and shirt material length. So let the shirt material be used 3x and trouser material be 2x meters. Both are in meters. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. So here is the profit percent given. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? Now the total sale is given, that is 36,600. Total sale, total sale is given over here. So we have to find the how much trouser material did he use or buy. So let us solve the problem. Class, let the material be, question number 7, let the material used by be 3x and 2x for shirt and trouser respectively, It is given in the question that if 3 meter shirt is used, then 2 meter trouser is used along with 3 meter of shirt. So let the material buy be 3x and 2x for shirt and trouser respectively. Now the cost is given. Cost for shirt, how much? For 1 meter it is 50. For 3x it is 50 into 3x. This will be 150x. Cost for trouser equals to, now the cost of trouser is 90 per meter, rupees 90 per meter. So 90 into 2x, the total cost, it will be 180x. Now selling price for shirt, you know very well that SP equals to 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 into CP. This is the formula. So for shirt it is SP equals to 100 plus 12%. 12 is given over there in the question. And CP how much? 150x. 112 by 100 into 150. Here we have, this is equal to 1680 by 10x. So it is 168x. SP of shirt is 168x. Now SP selling price for trouser SP equals to 100 plus, here profit percent for trouser is 10 by 100 into what is CP over here 180x. We have calculated it here 180x for trouser. So put 180x. Here we have 110 by 100 into 180x. 0 cancel, this 0 is cancel. Here we have 198x. Okay class. Now the total SP given in the question is, mean to say total sale 36,600. Here we have the selling price of shirt and the selling price of trouser. So the sum of these two is equal to 36,600. This is 168x. According to the question, 168x plus 198x equals to 36600. We have here 366x equals to 336,600. We will get 100. So here we have x equals to 100. Okay class. Now we have to find the length used for trouser. Okay, here I solved that. After this, here I solved trousers length equals to how much? 2x. We assume it above that the length of the trouser be 2x. Okay, so here put the value of x. You will have 2 into 100, that is 200 meters. Your answer is 200 meters.